Welcome to the club, Sam. It's really good to have you on board. What were the main factors that influenced your decision to join the club over options you had?
Well, when I first spoke to Steve, it was a good chat. How he described the club, I'd say was very similar to, like, the goals aligned very much with what I want to achieve on a personal note. So as soon as I had a chat with him, really, I was, half convinced already, and speaking to other people and stuff, it was a no-brainer, really.
That's good. Yeah. He's a nice bloke.
Yeah.
You signed from Chester, but you've been on loan at a few different places. Have you played in the Welsh system at all, or have you seen any games?
I've not played in it, but I've watched a few games there and then. Like I said before, I know a few people who've played in the league.
Right.
What the standards like, etc. So, yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Do you know any of the players in the squad?
I know of, and I know one,
Yeah.
Lloyd, who was at Chester with me.
Oh,
But
right, okay.
that's it, really.
Yeah, another new face.
Yeah.
You can play across the front line. What positions do you favour, and what are your strong points?
Ooh. I'd say a favour to the left, just on the basis as I probably score more goals on the left, because I obviously cut in from the right.
Okay.
Cut in from the left, shoot my right.
Shoot
Yeah.
right foot, yeah.
But I don't mind either, because either way I'm close to the goal, score goals.
Okay,
So,
good.
yeah.
Everyone loves a goal scorer.
Yeah.
So, with that in mind, have you set yourself any targets for the season?
Yeah. Usually I set similar targets. Obviously, I've only played what's his third season now in men's footy, but I set myself targets, more or less achieved them last year, so hopefully I can achieve it this year.
Okay. Any numbers that you give us?
Actual numbers, wow. So I go for about 10 goals, 10 assists.
Okay.
Aim there. Obviously, if I can do more than that,
Yeah.
perfect. But I like to do that, and see how it goes, and hopefully
Sounds
get
great. What sort of goals do you score? Are you a fox in the box type, long range, or mixture?
Ooh, I'd say I'd score any type of goal.
I think Steve said on the website that your delivery is really good.
Yeah. I don't mind a shot from far out.
Right.
Hopefully it goes in, but or even nicking one in the box, I don't mind as long as I score.
Yeah, that's the main thing.
Yeah.
And finally, have you got a message for the Bay supporters?
Yeah, I'm just really excited to meet them, play in front of them from the videos I see on social media and speaking to people. Can't wait to see them and play in front of them.
A good bunch, right? Thanks very much, and good luck for the rest of the season.
Thanks very much.
Thank you.